Universal Studios.
Kita na.
On our way. I love. Love. Morning. Baby, Noah.
What is it, Dala Day? Yeah. Quick photo, guys.
Wow.
Oh, we'll chill.
Wow. Wow.
Ito po na eh. Menu.
Ah,
May nidiri kay balang init pero bugnaw.
lagi.
Ito sa Singapore, container.
Kanang alimuot jud kayo. Ballpen? Na naman? Oh, naa. Say hi. Hi. Welcome to Universal
Baby,
Studios.
give me that.
Noah.
That in, please.
Mag-buy me og shade sa akong palangging. Kay nakalimot si mami sa iyang shade. Aduro ka na. Ay, pangdagpo man din na. For babies. Hello. Sabi, oh wow. Oh, don't take it off, ha?
Ay,
We're going to buy that one.
You
But
don't
don't
like
take it off. Nice man siya, love. Ganahan ko.
You don't
Wala
like
na ng black.
asan? Nakani?
That one. Ay, dako siya. Oh. Kana lang. That one lang langging. That's nice, man. You look good. You're so handsome. Ay, don't throw it. Halalab. Bihagbong sa amaw. Sige, kana na lang. Kumalita na na. We're going to buy that one, ha? Lang. Show them your shades. Daddy, pick it up sa daddy. Show them. Yung shades ni Noah. Be, put it on sa be. Handsome ba ang baby ni mama? Wow! Handsome boy! Okay. O sige, let's pay na. Say hi! Say hi to... So, ang first na aduan is ang Universal Studio studio tour. So, that's gonna be... Yep, that one.
The tours are closing early today because they're going to turn them into...
Okay, yeah, so we'll do that one first. Nice.
I guess he's having a good time.
Yes, he is. He likes to ride.
You having a good time, Noah?
Noah.
Hello.
Noah. Kapoy tayo. Just studio. Ooh. Zoom. Still trying to get the hang of the gimbal. Isod kayo siya. But in fairness, oh, nice. Hala. Nice kaayo.
I like this better than Sunland. Wow.
What is going to ride? Going to? Go to?
Wow. Nice kaayo. Look at that. So, kaniya mong unang giadto because mag-close siya early at 4 p.m.
Change it to
Studio tour. Noah.
Noah.
Bonjour. Zut alors, je suis désolé. Hello, there we go. Sorry about that, y'all. The language setting on my console up here was messed up. Anyway, hi everybody, welcome aboard.
What is this? Nagdako ako now today. Wala ko ng hukong today for the video. Hi, Noah. Noah. Hi, say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Wala ko ng hukong today, no? Yes. Grandpa, no, dancing. Mga tutag hukong. Grabe ka hukong akong face.
Dance. Wow, look at this.
Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. Dance, baby.
Don't be scared before I'm about to do on camera. It's just a little prank I like to do. Buenos días y bienvenidos a los estudios de Universo. Uy, disculpa, un momento, por favor. Guten Tag und willkommen zu den Studio. Nein. And today's we take you behind the scenes of where some of your favorite movies and TV shows are being made. Now don't forget, you will Mr. Jimmy Fallon.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Fallon. Welcome aboard the world's famous studio tour. I know what you're thinking. Why the tug? Well, we're celebrating our 60th anniversary. That's right, 60 years of glitz, glamour, and our own great white shark. As we celebrate our diamond anniversary today, we'll pay tribute to Universal's past and take you behind the scenes to discover why this studio tour is world famous. So whether this is your first visit or your 60th, get ready for fun, excitement, and an experience like no other.
That, of course, is a live-action version of the CGI character, Ted, from the dark comedies Ted. And in just a moment, to let you know exactly when to put on those 3D glasses. But before he does, please don't forget to remain seated. Hold on to all personal objects, and for everything inside, like this and that experience, please, no flash photography.
Can ignore drilling? Wow.
Noah! Mommy! I love you! Nice! Wow! Wow! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wow! 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 No!
And if you have the box set collection of the classic films, go back and watch Dracula. But more, I'm talking about the Spanish version. So we're starting to take you through Middle Europe right now. As we roll through this area, a lot of you may recognize it, not necessarily as a bad place filled with monsters. You might recognize Little Europe more as the good place.
Wow!
Eleanor Shellstrom are dead.
Cool.
This location, the afterlife, come on. I've never ever seen this. You're in the good place.
I'm not supposed to be here. I can't risk going to the bad place.
Well, maybe it's not all that bad.
Hi there. How can I help you?
What is the bad place like?
Well, it doesn't sound awesome.
All 4 seasons of the show filmed here on the lot, and you've got the railway station from the show coming up here on the left. Now, Brandon, I love the good place. I'm also a fan of the classic Universal monsters. And on the right, there's this open area called Port of Miracles. Check it out. On the tram, but don't forget about the E-Cord if you've got an emergency or you can't wait to use the restroom. Right now, we're pulling into Soundstage 50 for a practical effect, meaning it's all physically happening for us to interact with. You don't need your 3D glasses for this. Some of you may remember that the earthquake was out of commission for a little over a year. Well, just like a movie or a TV show, she got a reboot. This is no longer the hot set of a 1980s San Francisco subway.
Hi!
It's all modern.
Whoa.
But you still want to hold on tight because it could be the big one.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Scary! Oh no! Whoa! Mami, oh? Mami. Picture si Mami, oh. Hi, say hi. Run! Ayun sa uy. Run away! On the water! Whoa, real time! Whoa! Real time! Whoa! Nice! Yeah!
So, as we approach this set, let's hear more about it from the Oscar-winning writer director himself. Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion
I don't
and bring it
remember
to
this
life.
one.
This is the park
Okay,
owned
give
by
us
former
what-
child star Ricky G. Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show.
Oh.
That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that place? No? What? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show.
Oh.
Not so live and anyway, behind this hollow fence,
Whoa. Whoa.
back that, and then welcome to the world of the gold.
Yeah.
For Halloween Horror Nights. So gotta get a ticket to check that out because everything on the studio lot is getting into the spirit of things. Even Universal's scale replica of the Hollywood sign coming up here on the left-hand side. You can see it getting into the Blumhouse spirit of things. Now, if you're wondering where the real Hollywood sign is, it's just on the other side of this mountain. And you can see that we're now approaching the Psycho House, and it looks like the owner and proprietor of Bates Motel, Norman, is home today. Hey, Norman, how you doing, pal? I think we've got some fans, but I don't have a pen for autographs. Do you? Oh, that's not a pen. Oh, that's cool. No, stand there, Norman. No, don't. I'm going to tell your mom. No, Carrefour, be careful. I can't see what he's doing. Ooh, boy. Yeesh.
I think this one is dili koan whisper dili po. Ghost whisper? No, airplane na kasi Whoa, realistic.
Was originally built for Paramount Pictures and their film War of the Worlds with Tom Cruise. Again, this is going to be our final photo stop of the day for you. But while we're here, we're going to play a clip of an interview with the director, Steven Spielberg, and production designer, Rick Carter.
The car.
War of the World.
Airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a
Car baby o car?
all designed around the vision.
The itsy bitsy spider.
Sit down to talk about War of the World. I thought, what if
Spider?
747 goes down?
Is there a spider? There's no spider in there.
It's just something.
And having looked at the day of my life.
going to have a picture card spoken up here on the left side, but I want to take this moment to let you know that from here, there's only about 10 to 15 minutes left for the tour. So again, please don't forget about remaining seated on the tram or pulling that E-cord if you've got an emergency. You've just got to use that restroom right now.
How Fast and Furious